Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 10. This is Section 2.10, Problem 10. It says put the fractions in order from smallest to largest, and we have 5/12, 5/6, and 2/3. So in order to put them from smallest to largest, I need to see them over the same denominator. I can't tell the way they're written. So I have denominators of 12, 6, and 3. A good common denominator would be 12. All those denominators divide into 12 evenly. 12 goes into 12 evenly, 6 will divide into 12 evenly, and 3 will divide into 12 evenly. So let's make all the denominators 12. Now the first fraction, the denominator stayed 12. So the numerator can stay 5. Nothing changes. The middle fraction, though, the denominator was a 6, it became a 12. So that means I must have multiplied times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So the numerator would also be multiplied times 2. 5 times 2 would be 10. So 10 over 12 is equivalent to 5 over 6. And the last fraction, 2/3. So I multiplied the denominator of 3 times 4 in order to make it 12. So the numerator of 2 would also be multiplied times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Now I have 5 over 12, 10 over 12, 8 over 12. Now it's clear the 5 over 12 is the smallest value. That came from 5 over 12. So I'll keep it first as the smallest fraction. Now the fraction in the middle would be from 8 over 12, because it's not as big as 10 over 12. So the 8 over 12 came from 2/3, so 2/3 will be the middle fraction. And the 10 over 12 is the largest fraction, and that came from 5/6. So the fractions in order from smallest to largest would be 5 over 12, 2/3, and 5 over 6.